Hey guys, so again I am here to teach you SST Standard 4, Chapter 17, and it's a lecture number 2. So, in this chapter, we are talking about the organization that helps us. So, we know that there are many organizations in our society that helps us. So, some of the organizations, just like the police, hospitals, banks, fire brigades, the postal systems, the army forces. So these all are the organization who helps us in our society. So first of all, police. We know that police, the duty of the police is to solve crimes and to catch the people who are guilty, and they have to also make sure that they keep us safe, and they have to also make sure that everyone have to follow the law of the country or not. So the police station are always present in different areas in every town and city. So we inform the police when a crimes take place in our area. So in fact, we can also take help to the police whenever we face the problems. So like suppose if we lost the way and we need help, then we should go to the nearest traffic police, and then he will able to help you. So just like the hospital is also, we go to hospital when we fall ill, but they are the doctors and nurses in the hospital who helps us to find out that why we are ill. So they give us the medicines and the treatment that we need to make us better, and in fact they tells us also about the personal hygiene and to the healthy habits, and they also tell us the different diseases and how it can be helps us. So like another organization that helps us is banks. We keep our money in the bank safely. Exactly, nowadays, like it's better that we should keep. Before earlier that there is no banks, then people are there, they just take keep the money in their homes, and maybe the robberies are there. So nowadays we just keep our money in the bank for safety. The bank uses our money by lending it to people who need it. So the bank is what they help, they keep us our money, and they also helps the people who need the money. In return, the bank pays us an additional sum of money called interest. So in return, the bank what they pays us the additional sum of money, that is what, that is interest. So this is how the money increase if we save it in a bank. So like that, this is how that we can keep our money in banks, and it would be safe also in a bank. Banks also lend money to people for various purpose. So money like bank also provides the money to people for the various purpose, like they lend money to farmers by buying seeds and agriculture tools. So the bank is what, they give the money to the farmers to buy the seeds so that they can grow better crops, and in fact to buy the agriculture tools also. They also lend money to students for the higher studies and to the business who people to grow and develop their business. So bank also provides the money to the students who just wants to study higher in different states, in different countries, and they also give the people who wants to grow their business, to develop their business. And bank also give people loan to buy homes and cars. Banks also gives the money to people who just buy homes and cars. These days banks provide us with many facilities. So nowadays the bank is what, it provides us lots of facilities. So suppose if we want to buy something, houses, if we want to study in different states out of Bihar, then we can take the loan, and then we can go to study in higher college, in higher school also, and we can make any kind of transaction through the computer without leaving home. So without leaving home, like we can sit at home, and we can also transact our money, send our money sitting in home through the computer. Automatic teller machines, ATM, provided by banks, help us to withdraw our money at any time. So ATMs, the bank have provided us so that we can take, if we need the money, then we can withdraw money at any time. Next is the fire brigade. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade. The fire brigade has firefighters who are trained to put out fires and help people who may be trapped inside a building on fire. So fire brigade is what, suppose like when there is a fire, then we can call the fire brigade. So the fire brigade has the firefighters, the people who are trained to put out the fires, and they helps us, the people also who may be trapped in the buildings on fire. Fire engines are vehicles used to help put out fires, and fire engine is what? It is a bus type of vehicles, and it helps us to put out the fires. Schools are supposed to have a fire drills, and we know that school we have always a fire drill. So like a long bell rings, signaling that students should leave the school building as fast as possible, so that if one signal is there, ring sound, so that the student, they can leave the school as building as soon as possible. And this is done to teach us how to save ourselves in case of real fire. So this is teach us that how we can save us in real case, to save from the fire. For safety reasons, people install fire alarms in homes, schools, shopping malls, offices, banks, etc. So nowadays, for safety reasons, they just people install in house everywhere the fire alarms in homes, school also, in shopping malls, offices and banks, etc. So whenever the alarms will start, then the people, they can leave that places as soon as possible, so that they can put out the fires. Next is the police.